Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert docs to JPEG. So open up your Google document, press File, Download, and then press PDF document. Now this will download your document in PDF, so just press Save. Then go right here to this page, that is pdf-to-image.com. Then open up your Downloads folder and simply select your document right here and drag and drop it right here. This will convert your document and press download. Press save again and now go back to your downloads folder. As you can see, it has created this zip folder. Click on it to expand it, and as you can see, document 1 JPEG. So when I open it, as you can see, it is an image. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.